All right, good morning everybody. It's Mike from Mount Washington and Richie, one of our 20-year plus cat operators. This is your first Mikey Mountain hot lap of the season inside one of our beautiful snowcats. Richie, how's it looking out here, bud?
It's looking really banger, Mike. One of the best.
So we're pretty lucky. We've had a huge amount of snow from the bomb cyclone that came down the last couple of days. And you know, because of that, we are just really spending a lot of time digging out equipment, digging out lifts, digging out buildings, and there's a lot of on-mountain activity. Richie, what are you guys doing around the hill here to just sort of prep and just basically get the mountain set up so our staff can actually begin working to get ready for the 24-25 season?
Yeah, so we got to get access, obviously, for our staff to get out to the lift stations and get those prepped. And then just prepping the runs, making sure that we're knocking the air out of the snow. Helps with keeping it around when we get a little bit inclement weather, a little bit warmer temperatures that we might see in between now and the starting date here. So it'll help with just keeping it on the slopes and stuck where it needs to be.
We were just sliding a little bit, climbing up that pitch there, Rich. So are you guys thinking that you're going to have the winch cats out over the next couple of days prepping for the mountain here?
Yeah, once we get the air knocked out of the snow, we're going to have to start shaping the slopes and getting onto the steeper pitches. So we're going to be doing more day operations with the winch to start in the next coming weeks, which is different for us. Usually we're at night, and it's pretty safe that way when no one's around. So if you guys could just stay clear of the area for the next coming weeks, that would be great.
Yeah,
it's all over the place. The winch is on many of the runs, and out of the normal runs too, it'll be on lower coast or lower loop. A lot of ones that you won't actually see it during the winter season. So if you guys stay clear, that'd be great. Strathcona Park is looking pretty good.
Awesome. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, a lot of times when we are winching, there's a cable that comes out from the cat. It goes to an anchor point at the top of the slope, and it allows the cat to go up and down the slope. And that cable a lot of times is invisible to the public eye. So we kindly ask that you do stay away from the mountain while we are getting ready and while we're prepping for the start of the 24-25 season. And if you do want to venture into the backcountry, do it safely. Check out the Vancouver Island Avalanche Bulletin, and we'll look forward to providing you with some more updates in the upcoming days. And until then, we're going to go for a little cruise here, eh, Richie?
Drop it in.
All right, here we go, folks.